Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add people on Snapchat web. So first step, you need to search for Snapchat web. Open that website and you need to log in into your Snapchat web. So once you log in, so it will take few seconds. So once you are here, you simply need to click on here. You can see login to chat. So click here. So once you click here, you need to add your email address and you need to log in. So here click on next and log in into your account, but once you log in there is no option in Snapchat web. I see how to add people, so unfortunately currently there is no option, but in future might be you have an option to add people, and you can add as well in future. So you need to wait for few time because some people have this feature now, this feature is now in beta testing, and after some time you have this feature as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.